Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to make Torn. Just like Intel. We're choosing Samsung logo balls. Then press layer and media. I want to choose Tilly's Big Camping Adventure, even though it's my favorite partner. Too large. Well, that's okay. Okay. Let me see if alpha works. Middle. Great. We're gonna change the N. Oh, too short. Here's our result. How to make that Intel and Torn. This is the result, guys. Like and subscribe if you like Torn effects. What? It won't play. Oh my goodness. I love the way that she says Quack Moon. Okay, let's start this again. Even though if you turn off the sound, it will only sound like that video layer.
Quack Moon, what's that sound? We've opened up the door.
I don't want that result. That Samsung logo ball's off. Okay, turn that sound off. Okay, let's play it one more time, and then I'm saving it and putting it on YouTube. I love Baby First. Sometimes if I always watch Sprunky OC, I do not watch it.